These are the updates as of today with regard to COVID-19. The total number of new cases in the state is 828. The total number of recoveries is 419. And the total number of active cases is 6,861. And out of these, East Khasi Hills, 3,881, and Ribhoi, 970. The number of deaths from yesterday evening till today afternoon is 25. East Khasi Hills 15, West Jaintia Hills 6, East Jaintia Hills 1, North Garo Hills, West Khasi Hills, and West Garo Hills 1 each. Kini gilong kijing penbena kibedai buat COVID-19 mentakasi ki kes ki batmai baro mentakasi gilong praspa arfufra ki kes ki berkawa gilong sauspa khat khandai baro ki kes ki belong aktif hado menta gilong Ndriu Hajar praspa Ndriu Fuai nakini laispa Lai Hajar praspa Prapuai kita napo East Khasi Hills Khandai spa Nyau Pho po Ribhoi ki bakhlat no baro kilong arfusan ngut nadu menen janmet hadu mentamen singi pada kini khatsan kidei apo East Khasi Hills Ndriu apo West Jaintia Hills iwei Marmar iwei apo East Jaintia Hills, North Garo Hills, West Khasi Hills, but West Garo Hills. The number of oxygen plants with regard to the state as a whole, where installation is going on, are 6 in number. A 600 LPM plant at Civil Hospital Shillong. This plant, as is a very big plant, is reaching Shillong on the 25th, which will be airlifted from Delhi. In the meantime, because of the want of oxygen in Shillong Civil Hospital, the government has arranged for 6 generators of 45 liters per minute each to be installed at Civil Hospital, which was done and running from this last Monday. And this is catering to 25 COVID beds in the COVID wing of the Civil Hospital Shillong, and that too on high flow. That means a very high consumption of oxygen, and this is being catered to by the 6 generators. Another plant has come up in Nongpo. The machine has reached. It is under the stage of installation. The piping has already been done for the Civil Hospital Shillong. Now what is needed just to connect the pipe from the generation plant to the manifold room, and from there oxygen can be distributed accordingly to all the wards. Another plant on the way now, as we speak now, is on the way from Guwahati Airport, which had been airlifted yesterday from Delhi. That is for RPHS Hospital. This, as soon as it reaches today, installation will start from tomorrow. Piping has already been done, and we expect that by early part of next week, these machines will be up and running. The plants at Ganesh Das Hospital will be up and running by tomorrow. All these three plants, Civil Hospital Shillong, Ganesh Das, and RPHS Hospital, are from the PM Care, Government of India. Then we have got these plants which has come from UNDP, that is Juai, Nongpo, and Tura. Juai, the machine has already reached. Tura also is on the way. I think by now it must have reached. All these pipings, everything are going on in full swing. They are working 24/7, and all these plants now we hope that they'll be up and running by early part of next week. Another plant is coming up from the state government, that is at Kleriat. We will have another plant there, that is a very large plant. One more at Sauli. And from UNICEF, all the other hospitals will be provided with such small plants so that they can cater to the oxygen requirement as and when required. Besides these, the government has come up with 2 cryogenic tanks to be set up. One at Shillong, that is at Sauli. Work is in full swing, is going on in full swing 24/7. We are expected that this plant will be up and running by 15th of June, latest. 15th of June latest. And this plant, cryogenic oxygen plant, will cater to the cylinders in the state and is expected to deliver 1,000 cylinders refilling capacity in a day. This is a 13 KL plant at Shillong. And in Janjal, Tura, another 20 KL plant is coming up. And we expect that tank to be here by 2 weeks' time, within 2 weeks' time. Site preparation has already been done. Now we have to do only the civil works, which is going on, that also in full swing, and that also we expect that it may come up earlier than the one in Shillong. And this will cater to 2,000 cylinders per day. And we expect that these plants will be sufficient to give continuous supply of oxygen both to Garo Hills region and the Khasi, Jaintia, and Ribohai district region. So more and, over and above these, there are small, these 45 LPM plants, which we expect to set up in the CHCs, if the necessity requires. Now we have seen that the 45 LPM plants, within 1 hour we can set them up, only provided we get the machine. So if it is necessary, then these other plants also will be set up. This is the status of the oxygen plants and the cases from my side. Alor kini ki oxygen plant kiba nakaliang ka sarkar kala pangkhe ngidon lightly ki plan ki bawan ng Government of India PM Care kata kadeh po Civil Hospital Shillong, RPHS Hospital, kapun kata TB Hospital, pat ke Ganesh Das Hospital. Ganesh Das Hospital ke machine kalapoy ki engineer biladon chani kinang tray shat but ngi expect ngi community ba kini kani ka plan lasai kan tray kamno hapo Ganesh Das Hospital hapo Civil Hospital nomor kadi ka plan ka bahe ba ka bodan po Delhi kin haban shu airlift ka kan chimpor ban da ka truck da ka daw kin hab airlift ka haka arsan tarik but nomor ba ka jingdon kam juga oxygen hapo Civil Hospital tingi dang penengkam sya de kini ki plan ki generator ki baret kemot ki sausan LPM plan sendiri utli but kani ka ai ka oxygen ya ka jingdon kam juga oxygen hapo ka COVID ward arsan tali ki jentia taruh dengan high flow masun poi kini ka machine ka bahe ngin sa dismantle kini ya kini penengin sarah kini ki hospital ki baret but ki CHC ya kini ki plan ka bahe ru nge community ba haka ni katayo banwan haki syuaya ka singibalang kamut nilaban pentrekam ya kani ka oxygen plant kepada po RPHS Hospital itang dap airlift menen kalau po airport mentah kita warai ka kita po truck halenti but sibet kin panhap po RPHS hospital kani rungi kimilenti ba hakani katayo ko panwan nginla man pentrekam no ya kani machine kini ki piping kini ki caka baro lightly ngiladap but ni don kam stang ban penia kini ki oxygen generators ban yo ya ka oxygen don kam jang oxygen ka jungi banginum hap ban depend han hapo di cylinder bungitan lightly ki machine ke bawan na po UNDP kawai hapo nongpo dura bat hapo juai kini ki machine ki lapoi ka piping ru ngiladap hapo nongpo dura bat hapo juai kidang le kini piping hakacu kapor kidang set up kini ka plan bat ni kimilenti baro lightly gini ru ken trekam la shabdeo nalor gini ki oxygen generator ki ba ya ka oxygen ni shim na ka how lani na kamareng ka bangidan arteli bereki cryogenic tanks ki mengiong ki bangi wara ya kani ka liquid oxygen bangi set up kawai hapo shlong kata kadai 13 khatlai KL pat kawai pada kadai hapo tura hapo jenjal hajan baljek airport kata kadai R4 KL kini bro arteli menta ka kam kadang ya shat but nang iladap ban set up ya kini kita yang gini kita karena 1 point liquid oxygen hakini kita kamut kan ai ya ka refilling capacity ka ba 1000 cylinder ki ba he kataru di type hakashisni hapo shlong pat kumba 1000 cylinder ki ba he hapo jenjal kani kan yarap ingi sibun hakaba ngin yo ban pendap ye cylinder jongi manna kasni haki atli gini kita kawai spo kita garu pat kawai pada sini than khasi jantia ribhoi pat kini kita gi jongi gi bara kawai ndangi lada penyangi gini bat ngi kilas tang trikam kemud kajingdan kam jongi ga oxygen kan kam pensting ini ba ngin hapan depend nasabar banyo igani ka oxygen tingi kimilenti da kajing tristam jong baro nadu clear jong government sadu try do kini ki plan kin trikam but da kajing tristam jong baro ki be khon yune covid jing tristam jong ki pat nong song song ngi baro ngin la bajele igani ka khlam but ngin wara byang ya ka jing song stuk jing song sangan kumbaga julong syaban wan unu covid.
In addition to what our DHS has already briefed and updated all these important issues for the information of the residents of the state of Meghalaya, I would like to add, now the fight against the coronavirus ultimately goes down to the individual. I would like to repeat this. Fighting against the coronavirus ultimately goes down to each and every citizens of the state. So what we would like to request and to remind all the citizens of the state is, let us jointly fight, let us take care of ourselves. See, what happened was, because the positive cases, till now, we can't say that it has come down. 828 means it has not come down yet. And out of this 828, the problem was those individuals who get tested themselves, maybe today, maybe yesterday evening, most of them, what happened was, when they have mild symptomatic, they don't care. They don't want to come forward for testing, and they don't also want to report to the dedicated lines that has been installed throughout the state. So once it is detected, it is so difficult ultimately to take care of them. So we feel that we need to again request all the citizens of the state from now on, if you have any mild symptom, kindly, immediately isolate yourself wherever you are. Please don't move out. And at the same time, inform through the dedicated line where we have already created, so that team of health workers will reach your place. Or if not, the health team workers, even if they don't go to your place, you please come forward to the nearest PHCs and CHCs by yourself. Kawai ka ba nga kwa ban pensyay bat ban kerpat hak negapor. Ia kinong snong jong kajela jong ibaro. Menta kaskingi poi praspa ar pra ka kes. Bat babun ka mangila eksamin ngila pek bah ki kes ki ba mi praspa sejrong. Andeng lawat bah history kalong ka jing kalong bagitu ki ba don ka mild symptom kamot ki ba don ka sngo bayong kli. Lane ki jerho. Kaya kabakila kalong kim salia kaya nga lelay na mangi bayong kli. Bat ban lay pate su teng ki singo salia. Lani teng ki kwa ban buri na mario otip ki brio. Tika bangi kwa ban kerpat na kaliang ka sarkar menta. Kalau bangi kerpat kalong yaki way nong nong ban bapit singo ba nang nay sekmat. Habis pidon inu jing sengau bakadon ke jing shit ke jing jerho ke jing kriat lani kanu kasain hagamet sengau bahawat lerain nengkong pitang surap pisiam ke bakum kata wat ya mixu hayeng hasem syong marwei hay jaka ba nemya mix nang takabaar pat pentip hakitukin numbers kenang ba nakaliang ka team jong ki health workers jong ni kinyo ban le ya kabadon kam ngako ban petip ang ni ba menta nakaliang ka sarkar ngilabu kini ki dedicated line ke bang ngingi ong ka war room helpline lani ong be ka helpline bat ke bang ibu umdai su tang HDC office mentang ila notify hakaway pakaway ka block headquarter. Hakaway pakaway ka block headquarter nga try playo ka to notification but sngo baha nakaliang jong piki print and electronic media sngo baha ban penkan mau ya kene ka line ka number siya ki pa ba no snong jong jela bakin sngo baha ban ken mau ban splendid ya une u telephone number balada don kanu kabagi sngo ban phone siya une u number kinnam laran phone complain khnang ba ngi nakaliang sarkar ngin yo banle ya kabadon kam bat kum mangong epi ka notification kalami mdai su mentatang ha East Khasi Hills henry ha kleng jo ke jelam mekla jongi nilabu ya une u helpline ha ka way pa ka way ka block headquarter jong ke jelam mekla jongi baro ka way namar dei tanglang ba kani bangila banjop thma ya une uknyang jingpang desai sisi nga kerpat ye pi ki media baro print electronic ki social media sngo bha yarap lembat ngi ka sarkar ban circulate ban sampai ba ya une number helpline number uba ka sarkar kalabu kenang bakin tip bat bakin spellen that ru youtube phone number kum mangong ye pi bangin yo ya ka jingtip ha kapor ka babiang batru banle ya ka badon kam ha kapor ka babiang. The second point where I would like to share here for the information of the citizens of the state, because quite a number of complaints we receive. The citizens of the state, they are scared of the essential commodities. Number two, to remind again. Next point. Last time I've already explained. See, as I said to you, still there were people who still scared to conduct the dead bodies, to conduct either the rituality or even the funeral for the dead bodies of those patients who succumb due to the COVID-19. I would like to reiterate again, you should not be scared because the dead bodies is properly wrapped. SOPs has been issued by Health Department to each and every hospitals and also to each and every household, because the moment death cases happen, they need to inform. In case of those death happens in the respective houses, need to inform, and then health team will take care the dead body as per the protocol, and then disposal of the dead body can be easily done by those concerned family members or by the local authority or by the religious organization wherever required to. Kawai ka bang akwa ban pen mau susu ang ne kalong ba? Dang don ni kejing ting kejing smith hadin balayap na ukobit. Kabateng teng piong kibor niam kibor balang kiseng balang. Lene teng teng piong kiba kip kasnong katau lene kibhayi kibasem kabapelong ye kiba kinting kin smith. Tengang akwa ban ong bahaka ni kapor. Ka SOP keladon. Mdei bandon kejing ting kejing smith. Namar ba ya kamet kitik bayap na uneu kenyang jingpang la penbit penbiang haki hospital bat kitu kibayap hayeng ru hap ban pentip syakeneres PHC CHCs kenang baka health team kan le ya kabadon kam bat hadin nang ta ni IT haki bayeng basen hakabor snong gobor tau leni haki bor niam kibaper beper kibahap ban pendek ya kamet kabadang sa. Sakaway ka issue, the next issue is really, I think yesterday few friends from the media you asked me the question of some people from outside the state. They entered the state even without proper checking or without checking from the entry point. Today we had a meeting again. And I'm telling you, we have already issued a very, very clear direction to all the district administration, deputy commissioner and SPs that they need to strengthen their checking in each and every entry points. And they need to check each and every vehicles. Because right now we are under lockdown. We are not supposed to allow anybody to enter to East Khasi Hills. And now even Ribhoi district, they are under lockdown. They are not supposed to enter during the lockdown except emergency services, and number two, few necessary services that also with prior permission from the concerned deputy commissioners. Tengah kuat ban yatu ang ne hadin ba menin pilai keli badon ki beriu ki barawan rung syaka jela ka jengi ki ban rung syapo ka district jengi ki ba lese ki yat light nang tina po ka entry points te menta ngilai don ke meeting ban ngilai ke direction na u chief secretary syaporo ki board district ke ba kontup deputy commissioner ba ki SPs ba kin long ki ba pikir ki ban long vigilance more vigilance nakitu ki entry point bat karai ko long bangi ong ba ki day ban check ya ka wei pa ka wei ka kali ka bawan syapo East Khasi Hills lani ke Bandung hapori boy naman ngi mentangi don ke lockdown nang tagari boy district mentang don lockdown kim day Bandung light no ki emergency cases lani ki don ki case ki ba wanra e kamarbam kamardi tang bayakata rukan long katkum ka permission ka bakiyo na ki deputy commissioners bat ki hap ban yak lengba katkum ka entry point ka bangi na government ngi labu kata ka banga kwa ban pensyai hakani ka por bat sai sin bat ka banga kerpat kalong yakin nong song snong sai sin jong ka is ka sales bat ke jela barokoi sim menta ngid sim menta ba mangi la diru ngimtip lesing de ki karier ke ba yo yu nu jingpang mereka ke ba mangi hang ne ngile kalong ba ngi sumhar daladi yaladi kata de ke bedun kamme ban yo i ngan tu ipi ke ba butsin ke bang yo i menta ke jing ba ki briu ke tang sio positif kilong depres ka kata ya ke jabin joki teng teng kidu mesim kiba syat kiba khlain teng teng poi syaka kiba don ka kategori A B tang katun ski poi syaka C poi syaka D kai ka daw pelong tang namar ba teng teng ka don no ka jing ting kata ka ban ong man yakun ban ong ma em nga ngade ban jok ngayu nu knyang jipang teng teng ka kata yaki te ka bang kwa ban kerpat hang ne kolong sngau ba don ka mesim ka ba khlain ban yakun ngan yu thu ya pi ka jing rap na kaleng ki hospital ki doktor ki nurses kalong ka badon kam henrei ka badon kam tam kalong ka jing rap daladi yaladi leno yi doktor bikin sai dawa ya pi posin sis ngiru lada ma pi daladi yaladi pila surrender lepa pi ong banga ning layap le manga ning la sitom nganam la su ban kekli kemau ni kunyang jing pang ha bisa umdei ubah hadu kata uban ong ba kalong incurable ngatrai doktor itipa kata umdei ban ong bubulong incurable ngai ngong pi tang na ka jabi pat ngi menta na kalang surang ngi perkhat baru menta bahkan bahasibun yaki hospital bakat bala gitu ki positif cases bakit salang makanya persala jong lu teng teng kalong pelong yaki bakin long marui ngile ka bala mentaba ngila advice yaki hospital beper yela ka bala ek dia salang para ba positif kadang menidong yayok mesin lang uwe tengah kerpat namar kata bakin num don ka mensim bandu jingkermen ngiyo iru ya fikor menta ba ka recovery rate menta kasngi saus pakat kendai ngimdai benum sim kamu santo 90% kamu kibaklan ter dengan ada kerpat nakakadaw yakin nong song snong joka is ka sales bat ka jelai berkoi ngimdai benum sim tang syong mo yo positif yo piong banganyap no ngaso bon ong kata ka bakla ngidai benun ke jinget ngidon nong bu nong tau uba hajrong yaki eke barok ngimdai bandon ke jing du jingkermen bat ngidon ru rengkat ke sorkar ka tim jogi doktor ki nos jongi ki bat trei sitom med labat sngi ban sumar ten reka taka jing sumar ka nyoki kalong tangkum go borbrio reka jing yakun ga bakadu kalong baik na kitu kinompang marway teka banga kerparu ikinong song snong jogi jala joka is kasil sebangi barokwe wat klet hage jing duai ken maulen ye ka tim jogi doctors ki nurses ka tim ki health workers katnu phongut ki bapli ki ba sitom ki ba duthia ki ba dudem ki ba yok positif ki ba bun den rei kim salia nakamenta ban ya tur persya e kata thma nakamenta ban penim ya ki mensim ki ba kodor tengah kerpat nak kata daw ki pai ba nong sok snong jong jela jong i barokoi jong ka is kasil jong i sngo ba ya kaban bu haki jing duai marui bau belai undon rengkat batru un yarap yangi hakabak kum kani ke jing kaba ngiya kendu ngi krena sorselong ngai snei yi kinong trei jong municipal pejit sotu baklang ong dikani hakaba ki ong na mlong suban kta ek senduk ru na kadaw ngi hapon hadu undawan kini kinong train municipal bagin ra kamet bagin ra ek senduk ngai ngau pi kamde kumta ka SOP na ka health department kalau very clear ba lakum no kumnuru ya kamet Kiba klat hostel atip hi hostel ban tiker piwan ra ta senduk naman kila ada blek makin jong but ka advice kolong bas ngau bahawat tle ya senduk ten rai light na ta ngong pi kitu kiba mut ban lej on tap kiba hayeng ka basem lane kitu kiba ki balang lane kisnong kiba de ban ra ai kamet kum jule man suan normally kila ban le tambah mentang ngong pi ngila reduce ya ka jingwan ki breu but menta ban lej on tap ngilabu ka latest kolong sipongut nei doktor sipo naka khasan ni reduce kolong tang sipongut ban lej ban ra naka bda jing tap na ta ka ang on pi don ki bating wat balai ti jing tap ru ki bom nut balai ti jing lei nga ong e pi ya kan ni ru ngila pen sai kedar ba mdei ban lej banting utu balai ti jing tap ulej bai kum ju lej dep na tu tun mi no ten lej pada kini la dai sieng sistem ne la dai ki volunteer jo kusnong ne kidra tap apot liu kin le kan niam kur kom san minute rew minute dep nang ta tap la dep